Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be introducing a new box which is the FAIRYZ subscription box, and this is launched in this month only. The box that I'm going to unbox is the 349 rupees version of the FAIRYZ box. You need to pay rupees 50 additional as shipping. They also have other variants with them, and the box price starts at rupees 149. Then you have a box at rupees 249, and you have a box at 349 and a box at 499. So the box looks quite affordable. It's in an affordable range of boxes. So I do not know what exactly is in it. I mean, you will get makeup product, jewelry product, some food items and things like that. There is a little bit of customization too in this, in a way that you can mention the shades that you would like. Not that you get the exact shade number or the brands which are available or know the brands which are available, but they do try to match your likings considering the shades you would like to have. So without wasting any time, let's see this subscription box. So this is how the subscription box has come to me. It is in a jute like material and it is covered up here. So the box is inside. So let me just open it and see. So quite a novel way of packing it actually. So from within, this is how it is packed. It's a cardboard packaging basically. Oops. With a FAIRYZ subscription written here, the logo, and it is a little crushed, but let's read what is written here. So it says, thank you for subscribing with FAIRYZ, hope to make you happy and wish these products add up to your beauty. And it says, nothing makes a woman more beautiful than the belief she is beautiful. Yes, of course friend, I agree with you. And then there is a rate sheet. Let me get it, zoom it a little for you. Okay, so this is the rate sheet. So I have got products from Huda Beauty Lipstick. It's a Glam 21 Kajal, and basically all the products are mentioned here, and the total worth of this subscription is rupees 1099, and I have paid a total cost of 399. There is some material here, so let me just get these things away and just get right into the products. So the first thing that I have received, friends, is this huge bottle of VLCC Cocoa Butter Hydrating Body Lotion. It is with an SPF 15 with UVA and UVB protection and a skin defense product. So this brand VLCC is a brand which I have used earlier, and it is quite a nice brand. The products are very good, and I like the products from VLCC. The directions and the details are mentioned here, and this is priced at rupees 160. So let me pour out a little butter. So this is how the cocoa butter looks like, the body lotion, and let me just use it on my back of my hands. Yes, it's a nice product. I think it is perfect for a light winter or maybe summers also. So it doesn't appear to be sticky, but it is hydrating. I mean, it's moisturizing my hands. So yeah, so this product is not really meant for harsh winters, but as a usual everyday product, this is definitely something which is nice. The next product that I have received is from Huda Liquid Matte, and this is in the shade Famous. So quite happy to get a liquid lipstick. I think this may be a dupe of the original Huda Liquid Matte. And let me swatch this for you. So this is how the color looks. The color is very nice and will look good on all Indian skin tones, be it fair or be it whitish dark. And the texture seems to be quite nice, and let's see this after some time when it dries up. And this is how the lipstick looks. It has dried up and it is absolutely non-transfer, and it seems to be settled in well. I think I'm quite liking this lipstick. I will check with the owner of the subscription box whether this is a original. So this was the second product. The third product is this. It is a Glam 21 Glimmer Stick for eyes. I recently received this in one other subscription, and this is in the shade Royal Blue, and again happy to get this shade. I have not tried this shade earlier, so yes, a good addition to the product. And this Glam 21 Royal Blue Kajal is worth rupees 90. The next thing that I have received is this manicure Pedicure Kit. So a good product to have. It has got all the things that you require for a manicure or a pedicure, including this divider. So these are the splitters when you put it on your toes, so that your toes remain apart when you are using a nail paint and allowing it to set. So this product is worth rupees 130 rupees. The next product I have received is this. It's a beautiful neck piece, quite a unique neck piece with a nice pendant here, and this is the cloth string here. You can tie it and adjust the length as you require. Quite a nice product. I like this necklace, and it comes with a matching set of earrings. Again, I did not have anything in green, and it's quite nice to get a green color. Happy with this piece too, and this is priced at rupees 200. And guys, there is one more product. It is a surprise gift and it is worth rupees 100 as it is mentioned. So let us open this and see. And this is the next product I have received. So this is a nail buff, guys. So you can use it to buff up your nails before using a polish, and quite a nice product. I mean, I never owned a nail buff, while when you go to parlors and get your manicure or pedicure done, they do use a nail buff to get a even shine on your nails, and after that you apply nail paint. So yes, this is a nice product. Happy to get this too. So I have got a manicure set, a pedicure set, a nail buff, a lipstick, eyeliner, body lotion, and a neck piece. I think it's a reasonably nice deal to get and completes the entire package. So friends, this were all the products that I received in my FAIRYZ subscription launch box, and I think it's quite a nice deal. In 399 rupees, I have received 6 products, all of them useful. But my honest opinion is that I would have loved to have one more product in this subscription, and maybe from a good brand that would raise the value of this subscription much more and will appeal to many of the people around. So yes, it is a nice deal, has scope to improve further, and definitely the subscription boxes improve over time. But I have to say, it's a good curation for the launch box, and it would be interesting to see all the other range and the variants too. So friends, if you did like this subscription, go ahead and order yours. And with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.